In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Read and Write. We're going to cover some of the basics today, such as the settings menu and your basic reading toolbar. To start, the right-hand corner is where all your settings are going to be. You have your toolbars, so this is where you can switch to see the reading features, writing features. You can create your own features if you'd like. There's some research ones and some study skills. There's also the All Features menu as well. For today, we're just going to stick with the reading features. Also, to the right-hand side, all video tours. This is where you can watch every single tool and how to use it. So with the reading menu, you have a dictionary tool. To use this, you would just highlight a word in your document, double-click it, and then press this tool here. This is a picture dictionary tool. This one is used for confusable words such as 2, 2, and 2, for example. You can also use it when you're writing a document. You can just click on it, and it will populate any of the confusable words in your document, and then you can look through to make sure you use the correct tense. This is playing through your reading, pausing. This is to go forward or back. This is to stop. This is a screenshot reader. It allows you to highlight things such as logos, for example, and you can read the text in them. It's also really good for online and PowerPoints. Daisy Reader is not something that any of my students typically use, but when you click on it, it will open some books that are built in with the software. There's a scanning tool, a screen masking tool. This one dims your whole screen, and you'll see that there's a little white area in the screen. That's going to be a little spotlight, so that will be the only part of your screen that will show. So it's really easy when students need to be able to focus and follow along with their reading. Some of my students also use it for studying purposes. They put a question and they have the answer all below, and then they scroll down to see the answer, so they kind of test themselves that way. This is a translating tool. This is the PDF Aloud Reader. To use this one, please make sure in your settings options that you do not have this checked off, as sometimes it does not work. When you click this, it's going to ask you to open the PDF you'd like to read, and then you can read through your PDF. You don't have to use this tool. And then your standard help menu, which I've never personally used myself, but it is always there. If you have any more questions about this software or you'd like to use it for possibly writing, study skills, and more on the reading features, please visit your assistive technologist in the Access and Support Center at Durham College.